What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra UAG Plasma Ice case unboxing and review. Subscribe to the channel for more unboxing like this in the future. Turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out. Without wasting more time, let's get back to the review of this awesome case. UAG has a great reputation of making amazing cases. This one is no different. This one is the Plasma Ice clear case. Bringing you close to the camera, you can see the iconic P shape. Each camera compartment is protected separately. The buttons are responsive, just look at the level of protection. The bezels are raised up so that the camera does not scratch. If you look at the front, it has raised bezels as well. The lips prevent the front screen from scratching. This case has got a lot going on. The corners of the case is made of rubberized materials. Do you know what that means? It means your phone is going to absorb shock if you drop it on the ground. When you drop a phone on the ground, the sides usually hit the ground. So this one is rubberized. It will absorb all the shock, preventing your phone from damage. When we look at the bottom, the cutouts are wide enough. You can access everything. You can access the S Pen, you can see the speakers, you can see the charging port. There is no problem there. The UAG company has designed the Plasma Ice case with precision. If you look at the back of the case, it has that honeycomb textured feeling. That is going to prevent the phone from scratching. On top of that, this case is not bulky whatsoever. If you put the case on the table on the back, it does not move up and down because everything on the back is even. This case also works well with the wireless charging. If you are looking for one case that's gonna protect you, this is it, man. This case is amazing. Looks great, has military grade protection, raised bezels to protect both the cameras on the back and the front screen, honeycomb textured feel on the back to prevent the phone from slipping. You can see the color of your phone as well. Enough cutouts that you can access everything at the bottom. This phone is amazing. More information will be in the description section. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this in the future. Until then, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.